3 days of rain took my son's helicopter ride. Let me explain. We had a vacation planned, right? And the whole year, me and my boy talked about one thing, taking a helicopter tour when we got to our vacation spot that summer. So I picked up extra hours to pay for it. Every one of those hours had his name on it. And then the rain hit. And when it hit hard. The job site, it turned into a mud pit. We were sent home for 3 days straight. And just like that, the ride was gone. 30 years on the tools taught me the rain always wins that fight. Unless you've got a second lane, because there's work out there the rain can't touch. I'm talking about indoor work, same day work. Work you can book the morning you get sent home and finish before the day's a loss. I'm going to give you 5 of them today, and every one you can start this week. No shop needed, no boss, and most of them with tools you already own. So if a rained out day has ever cost you money you were counting on, smash that like button for me and let's get into it. So here's the thing nobody does the math on. A rained out day isn't a day off, it's a day you pay for. Say you pull $30 an hour. 3 rain days is $1,200 hole. It's gone forever, and it always hits at the worst time, right when you're counting on those hours for something cool to do. Now, here's what changes everything. When it rains outside, the work moves inside, and every one of these 5 jobs happens indoors. The homeowner doesn't care that your site flooded. They care that their door won't shut and their dishwasher's dead. So while the rest of the crew is sitting home watching the Weather Channel and losing money, you're the guy who books the day anyway. That's the whole game today. 5 side jobs the rain can't touch. Guys, real quick, I put together a totally free 2026 Blue Collar Resource Guide. It's got links to getting started in union jobs, free apprenticeships, and grants to start up your own small business. It covers all 50 states. It's totally free, and it's my gift to you. Just hit the link down in the description and grab your free copy. And while you're at it, tap that subscribe button and notification bell. It's also free to you, and it helps us bring 3 fresh new videos to you every single week. I sure appreciate you. Now let's get into it. First up, appliance installs. Here's the setup. Every big box store, Lowe's, Home Depot, the local appliance shop sells way more washers and dryers than they've got guys to hook them up. So they contract it out, and there's never enough installers. Think about it like a pizza shop with no delivery drivers. The pizza's made, it's sitting there, they just need somebody to run it. So you show up, pull the old unit, and set the new one. Hook up the water line and test it, then you haul the old one out. Dishwasher, washer, dryer, over-the-range microwaves, we're talking about 45 minutes to an hour stop. It pays good, and installers are pulling $80 to $140 per install through the stores, and double that if you go direct to the homeowner. Run 4 of those bad boys a day in a rainy afternoon, and you've just turned a dead day into a $500 one. The tools you need, channel locks, a drill bit, a level, a hand truck dolly, that's about it. You've probably got it already. So here's how you start. Call the appliance departments of your local stores and ask who does their installs. Half of them are short-handed in hiring today. Or list yourself on marketplace apps and take direct jobs at the full rate. The rain floods the site, it doesn't flood the laundry room. Number 2, hanging interior doors. This one slept on hard. Every house has a door that won't latch, or drags on the carpet, or somebody put a fist through it, and almost nobody wants to fix it, because hanging a door right, it's a skill, which is exactly why it pays. You're either swapping a slab into an existing frame or setting a pre-hung unit. Plane it, shim it, hang it, set the hardware. It takes a little practice, and once you get good, it's probably an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2. It's easy money, guys, and homeowners pay $100 to $250 a door, and most calls, they're 2 or 3 doors at a time. Builders and property managers, they'll feed you steady work if you do good work, guys, because their punch lists are always full of doors. You need a chisel set, a drill, a level, a hand plane, or a router, and some shims, nothing you probably don't already own. And here's how to start. Post before and after of a cleanup door swap on the local marketplace pages. Doors photograph really good. A busted hollow core next to a solid new one, it sells itself. Then hit up the property managers in your town. They've always got doors needing fixed. Rain's coming down sideways, it won't matter to you today because you're inside setting hinges. Alright guys, quick break because this is how a lot of people are now diversifying their retirement plan. Take a look at this. You know, one thing I've learned after decades of working around hardworking people, most folks aren't afraid of putting in the work. They'll spend 30 or 40 years building a career, saving for retirement, and trying to do everything the right way. But here's the part a lot of people put off, making sure all of that hard work is actually protected. Because the reality is, most retirement accounts are still heavily tied to the stock market. So when the market takes a hit, your retirement could take one too. Now, I'm not saying you should move everything, that's a personal decision, but a lot of people are at least looking into whether having a portion of the retirement backed by physical gold makes sense. That's why I partnered with Augusta Precious Metals. What I like is they don't press you into anything. They take the time to explain how a gold IRA works. They answer your questions and help you decide whether it's a fit for you in your own situation. If you've been thinking about protecting what you've spent a lifetime building but just haven't looked into it yet, now's probably a good time to get informed. Click the link down in my description or text JV Charles to 35052 to get Augusta's free guide. I've done my homework on Augusta before recommending them, guys. They are the best overall gold IRA company 4 years running, and that's why I'm comfortable pointing you in their direction. Learn how it works, ask your questions, and make the decision that's right for you. All right, back to work. Number 3, trim and baseboard work. Now, real quick, this is not drywall repair. It's a different job and different money. Drywall's patching holes. Trim is the finished carpentry that goes on after. I'm talking about baseboard, casing, crown, door surrounds, the stuff that makes a room look finished. And it's a rain day gold mine because it's 100% inside. And here's why this works. Every remodel needs it. Every new floor install leaves a gap at the wall that needs base. And every flipper in your area, he's tearing out builder grade and putting in something nicer. Think of it like framing a picture. The room's the picture, the trim's the frame. Nobody notices a good frame. Everybody notices a bad one though. That's why they pay to get it right. Baseboards run $2 to $5 a linear foot installed, and a whole main floor is an easy $600 to $1,000 day. Crown molding pays more because fewer guys can cut it. Now, to be honest, crown molding, it can be a little tricky, especially with unsquare walls, and it takes some experience to do it quickly. So if you're new to it, allow extra time to get it right. On this one, you just need a miter saw, maybe a nail gun, a brad nailer, coping saw, and some caulk. If you're a carpenter, you've already got this stuff in your garage or truck. And here's how you start. Get in with the flippers and floor installers in your town. Flooring guys especially, they hate doing base and they'll hand you every job if you're reliable. And I'll be honest with you, trim is where I actually made my name early on. 12 years as a union carpenter, and the guys who could cut a tight cope in a crooked house especially, those were the guys who never sat home. And there's a reason for that. Now, that's already 3 ways to save a rained out day. You could stop right there and book any of these and never lose a rain day again. But if you stop now, you're going to miss the 2 that make the most money, because the last one on this list isn't a rain day patch at all. It's a business you can run 12 months a year. Number 4, bathroom fixture swaps. This is the volume play. Every bathroom in America has a faucet that drips, a toilet that runs, a shower head crusted over, or a vanity from 1985. And homeowners are scared to touch any of it because they'll think one wrong move floods the house. That fear, that's your paycheck, fellas. You're swapping faucets, toilets, shower heads, tower bars, vanities, small stuff, fast stuff. A faucet's maybe 30 minutes. A toilet's under an hour. And here's the money move. You stack them. One house, one trip, 5 little jobs. Homeowners pay $150 to $250 per fixture, and once you're in the door for the faucet, they'll point out 4 other things while you're standing there. It happened to me all the time. So walk in for one job and walk out with 5. You need channel locks, a basin wrench, plumber's tape, and a bucket. That's a few bucks of tools. And here's how it starts. Say yes to the small stuff everybody else is too proud to take. The full-time plumbers, they don't want a $30 showerhead swap. They want big remodels. That leaves all the little money sitting on the table for you. But seriously, 6 little jobs in one rainy afternoon beats one big job any day of the week, if you ask me. Number 5, the big one, closet and garbage storage builds. This is the one I told you to stick around for, because it's not a rain day patch, it's a real business that happens to be rain proof. And here's the deal, most people's garages are a hot mess. Their closets are overflowing, and the home organization business is exploding right now. People will pay serious money to have their space built out with real shelving, overhead racks, those cool slat walls, all kinds of custom closet systems. Think of it like this. A trash garage full of cobwebs that smells dingy, that you can hardly walk through, is of little value to a homeowner. But an organized garage adds real value to the house, and you get paid to build it. It's the same square footage, only one's an eyesore and the other one makes the homeowner regain that area of their home again. They actually enjoy walking around in the garage again. And best of all, it puts cash in your pocket. A garage build runs $800 to $3,000. A closet system $500 to $1,500. And here's the part that makes it a business. It's all referral. You do one garage on the street, your neighbor sees the truck, and now you've got the whole cul-de-sac. You need a drill, a level, a stud finder, and a saw. And some ideas off of Pinterest maybe. That's the whole kit. And here's how I'd start. Build out your own garage first. Film it. That's your entire portfolio. Then post it and let the before and after do the selling for you. This stuff goes viral on the local pages because everybody wishes the garage looked like that. This is the one you build past a side hustle, start it on a rainy day, and keep it going all year. So there's your 5, fellas: appliance installs, door hanging, trim and baseboard, fixture swaps, and garage builds. Look at what they've got in common. Every single one happens inside. Everyone runs on tools already in your truck probably, and everyone turns the worst day of your work week into a payday. The rain took my son's helicopter ride because I only had one lane that year, the job site. If I'd had any one of these back then, that trip happens no matter what the sky's doing. That's the real lesson. It was never about the rain, it was about having only one way to make money. Fix that and the weather stops being able to touch you. So if you're wondering what I'd do, I'd pick one of these, just one, the one that fits the tools you've already got. Then this week, rain or shine, go book a single job. That's it. That's how every one of these starts. Because the guy who never loses a rain day isn't tougher than you. He's not more skilled than you. He just built a second lane before he needed it. And you can be that guy by Friday, fellas. And if you want the roadmap for turning any of these into real businesses, check out the 2 videos I recommend on the end screen. I'm JV Charles. I appreciate you checking out the video. We'll see you on the next one.